Developed by Rich, a software developer dedicated to creating efficient and user-friendly applications, this RAR file extractor exemplifies simplicity and reliability. Rich's innovative approach ensures that users can access their compressed data without unnecessary complications, making the tool a go-to choice for individuals and businesses alike. This extractor supports a wide range of RAR archive types, including encrypted and multi-volume files, providing flexibility for diverse user needs. With its intuitive interface, even those with minimal technical expertise can easily drag and drop RAR files into the application for instant extraction. The software's high-speed algorithms ensure that the decompression process is quick and seamless, saving users valuable time. Rich has also prioritized compatibility and accessibility, ensuring that the RAR file extractor works across multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Furthermore, the application is lightweight, consuming minimal system resources while delivering robust performance. This makes it an excellent choice for users who need to handle large volumes of compressed files on various devices. Security is another key feature of the tool. Rich has implemented advanced encryption protocols to ensure the safety of sensitive data during the extraction process. Whether you're dealing with personal files or business documents, this extractor guarantees that your information remains protected from unauthorized access. In summary, Rich's RAR file extractor combines speed, efficiency, and security in a single application. Its versatility and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for managing compressed files, whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user. With Rich's commitment to continuous improvement, the software remains a solution for all your decompression needs.